Moving fast but never enough, searching hard I hit a wall and felt my whole world start to fall. Broken pieces on the ground, shadows screaming without a sound. Through empty streets I walked alone, a crowded world but no one home. In the silence, in the pain, through the storm and pouring rain, you were there, I couldn't see, but you were reaching out to me. You found me in the dark when I was falling apart, when I was lost in the night. You brought me back to the light. You gave me reason to breathe, a purpose I couldn't see. From broken, lost and undone, now I'm here holding my son. You met me there in my despair, with gentle hands and patient care. Your promise written in her eyes, a love I never could deny. You saw the pieces I had lost and loved me through it, no matter the cost. You shared your light, you gave me truth. You helped me find my way back through. Through your grace you made me whole, put the fire back in my soul. Now I see what I couldn't see. You were right in destiny. Resist. Now I see what it was for. Every scar, every war led me to this moment, holding you forevermore. You found me in the dark, healed every shattered part. When I had nothing left inside, you filled my world with life. Oh, now I've got a reason to be, a legacy I can see. From broken man to someone strong, you're holding my son, and in his eyes I see the truth. Every road led me to you. My greatest dream has just begun. You found me through my wife.